Hello, this is JP Multi-Tacs, and today I'm going to show you how to wire a single pole switch. First, we run our 3 cables number 12 American wire gauge, ground, neutral, and phase. Then we splice the ground and connect it to the ground terminal of the switch, and continue the ground to the light. After we run the neutral wire straight to the light, following by the phase to the hot terminal or golden screw of our single pole switch. Last, we connect the return from the gold terminal of the single pole switch to the light. If you follow my instruction, now you will be able to turn on and off your light from your single pole switch. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.